McKnight was, I think from the start, really thinking about how do we ensure that our office space aligns with our mission and our vision. And we've committed through our endowment to be carbon neutral by 2050. So all of our investments are aligning with our mission. And our office space, I think, is the next evolution of that.
This project with Trane fits squarely within McKnight's sustainability goals.
Thermal energy storage and the advanced heat pump option was really important to us for three main reasons. First was efficiency. Really thinking about, not just electrifying, but actually being able to bring down our energy usage overall through something like thermal energy storage was a really exciting opportunity for us. Second was around cost, knowing that we had the possibility of tax incentives or tax credits to really help bring down the costs. And we worked hand in hand with Trane and McKnight and the whole project team to really think about how do we maximize the tax credits that a system like this can utilize, following the passage of the Inflation Reduction Act in 2022. And then third was just the viability of our space. So really thinking about what type of system is practical for a space like this.
The storage source heat pump brings in a traditional 4-pipe system where we have heating and cooling loops, but in addition to the heating and cooling loops, we have air-to-water heat pump loop that can reject heat to the atmosphere or pull heat from the atmosphere. We have thermal energy storage tanks that act as a way to store heat for future use, or we can freeze them overnight and then melt them during the day in the summertime so that we can use more sustainable energy overnight. Freeing up the ability to store heat for future use in the energy tanks makes these systems dramatically more efficient and reduces the operating costs.
It's really rare to see a team lean into a collaborative vision in the way that this team did.
One of the things that I'm most proud of about our new space is that it's fully sustainable. And I think that that's a value add to the Minneapolis community as well.